Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Robinhood account security with 2FA, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up your Robinhood account security with two-factor authentication, begin by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the account menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Next, look for the Security option within the Settings menu. Tap on Security to access additional security features. Find the Two-Factor Authentication option and select it. You might be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Once verified, you will see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Choose your preferred method for receiving verification codes, either via text message or an authentication app. If you select text message, enter your phone number and tap Next. Robinhood will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code as prompted to confirm your phone number. If you choose to use an authentication app, download an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the authentication app and scan the QR code displayed on the Robinhood screen. Once scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code back on the Robinhood application to finalize the setup. After successfully entering the code, your two-factor authentication will be activated. Make sure to save any backup codes provided by Robinhood in a secure location. These codes can be used in case you lose access to your two-factor authentication method. Finally, review your security settings to ensure everything is configured to your satisfaction. Congratulations, you've successfully enhanced your Robinhood account security with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.